Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I've been on a marathon filming today. I've filmed so many items. Anyway, all my subscription boxes, I had been sick, so I let some of them stack up, and so I got it all filmed today. And I'm down to my last little film that I know of, I think, today, and that is this little brown box with pink tissue in it. What do you think it is? No, it's not Macy's Beauty Box because I already filmed that one. This is a fun little haul I got from EyeScream Beauty. So anyway, I'm excited to share what's in here. Maybe some surprises. Anyway, so let's just get to it and see what's in here. Okay, friends, first of all, I do want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by hitting the, there we go, hitting the like button, subscribing, leave me a comment. All those things do help support my channel, and I appreciate it so much, so thank you for that. Okay, so I had to make a little visit to EyeScream Beauty because I noticed they had some fun cherry makeup items, and I'm really into cherries right now. I've always liked cherries. I just bought some cherries. Anyway, if you want to know my like for cherries, just go watch my recent Ross TJ Maxx Marshall haul. I have some really fun cherry things in there, and you kind of get an idea of how I feel about the cherry stuff. But anyway, so I did get, when I went, they didn't have as many of the items as I thought they would. So that was a little bit disappointing, but they have a few. So the first thing I have here, and I'm excited to share this one because I'm going to spray it all over me, but this is the So Cherry Happy Body Mist. Okay, it's a cherry spritz season, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, oil-free, silicone-free, cruelty-free. And I did pick this up, and this was $5.99, and it just spilled all over me. I guess it wasn't packaged that great. Anyway, I hope it's okay. But anyway, so yeah, let's see how the spray is. Okay, Essence is not real expensive makeup. Their quality probably isn't the best, but some of their products, for as the price you get, they have some really good products for the price. But I wouldn't say it's super cherry. I'm going to crazy. I do this when I get out of the shower. I just love spraying body sprays on me. But anyway, it smells really good. I really like it. So that was kind of fun. It was just a fun little thing. You know, move over Sol de Janeiro. We got Essence Cherry Spray. So anyway, that's the first item I have here. The next cherry item I have here is, I gotta find out which is which here. Looks like in here I've got two items that are packaged tight. And one of them is going to be a So Cherry Happy Lip Balm, and one of them is going to be a So Cherry blush lighter. So here's the lip balm. Okay, that is so cute. Look at that. It's got the cherries inside, and open it up here. Don't usually like finger lip balms, but sometimes they're fun every once in a while, right? Like, I don't know, change it up. Okay, let's try to get this open one more time here. Okay, so looks like it may have a little bit of heat that melted it down a little bit, but there it is. There's the cherries. I don't know if I can really smell it. I can smell that spray. Went to town with that. But anyway, so that was kind of fun. So that's my second item. And the lip balm was $3.99. And then I have, now all these things again are vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, oil-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, cruelty-free. So they're not all fragrance-free, but the blush is fragrance-free. This has a fragrance. This has a fragrance. But anyway, so here's this is adorable. Look at that cherry blush. I just think that's so cute. You open it up and you've got just the pink color with the cherries. So, so cute. So if you guys saw this and were wondering what it was about, this is what it's about. They didn't have a lot of their cherry. I had seen more cherry items, but I think they probably just had sold out. But anyway, these are the ones I got, the 3 items that were cherry. And then I went ahead and picked up 2 or 3 more because I'm low on bronzer. Even though I picked up my favorite, I might try not to use it all the time, my Mario. So I just wanted to try a couple other ones. This is, let me just try this one here. It's kind of a taupey, dark taupey color. There we go. So that's their, and I do like the sticks. I love bronze sticks. So that's something I would use. And then they had this palette. This is Welcome to Sin City eyeshadow palette. And I just was curious about it. It's really, it's like, they look like all glitter duochromes, whatever, both. I've got to take this off to get in here. Check that out. So this would be a fun palette to add, you know, to another one to, you know, I love, there's the pink, there's the green. Let's see what else we can do here. Let's do a brownish color. Let's do the golden-y kind of color. Actually, let's do that one. So here's some of the colors. They're really pretty. So I also like this green. This is kind of a Kelly green, and that's kind of fun. So this is more, looks like more golden, but it is golden yellow, but kind of a green. Anyway, so this is actually really fun. I'm kind of excited about this palette. This is one that I will definitely use together, team up with some of my other favorite palettes. So anyway, so the last thing I got here is silly. You guys, I don't know. I don't think I'll ever grow up. Okay, so just, anyway, I'm just a young girl at heart, but I thought this was so cute. So this is a Disco Ball lip gloss. So let's see where this is on here. What do they call it? My Heart Beats Disco Ball lip gloss. Meet me at the Disco Ball. It was $3.75, and that's what it looks like inside. It's got a cover on it. I'm not going to take it off. Looks like a great color. Anyway, that's fun. So there's my little disco ball. I just like there's a disco ball. I could hang this off something. But I've got the Sin City eyeshadow palette, the So Cherry blush, the So Cherry lip product, the bronzer, the disco ball, and the spray, which smells really, really good. So I have it on. You know that, right? You saw me put it on. So anyway, this was all fun. A fun little Essence Beauty haul. It's just fun. Essence can be a fun, $35. I got 6 products. It's just kind of fun if you ever want to try Essence Beauty. They do make some really good makeup products that I've really liked. Some are a little too cheap for me, but you know, that's just because I've been accustomed to some higher end makeup in what I do. But it's a great affordable brand. So anyway, that's fun. Go check it out if you like the cherry stuff. Maybe it'll still be there. I don't know. They're limited time, but it looks like they still have the blush, the lip, the a primer. They have cherry scented nail stickers. I thought I got those, but I guess I didn't. So Cherry Happy Mist, So Cherry Lip Gloss. So anyway, they have a few of the cherry things. So if you want to check them out, go to essenxemakeup.com, and anyway, you can see what's there. So thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate your support so much. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.